contrast exercise number 4, match the words. The first word is farming. Environmentally. Next. Costs. Transport. Okay. Sunlight. Local, good. Next. Food. And friendly. Real? Real or vertical? Quickly? Okay. Some answers. Okay, well done. The two answer is wrong. Our new theme is natural disaster. The aims of the lesson: interact with peers to make hypotheses about a wide range of general and curricular topics. Divide into groups, choosing the cards by color and words. Choosing the cards. About natural disasters.
Natural disasters. Every year, natural disasters happen all over the world. Forest fires throughout Australia, Europe, Africa and North America. In 2017, forest fires burnt over 100,000 acres of land in Portugal. There are two ways a forest fire can start. Natural fires are generally started by lightning, and human-caused fires can be an accident or set on purpose. On the 5th of August 2010, a mine collapsed, leaving 33...
Let's do an exercise. I will give you second letters. You will find hidden words. Asılmayan sözleri tabanınız içindedir. I understand. Yes. Yes, you may.
Flood, tornado, landslide, hurricane.
Yes, next.
Yeah.
Yes, you may.
Landslide, freezing, flood, tsunami, tornadoes.
Okay, good. You are right. And then the next answer. Or nine.
Tornado, hurricane, avalanche, flood, blizzard.
Maybe a description of events I will give you.
very affected by it and can be disastrous. There are several reasons for foods. One of them is expensive, raining at other times. It is
Yes, earthquake was in 2010 in Ankara. An earthquake is a geological phenomenon that can happen anywhere. The vegetation in the area collapses, forests in the rivers and the lakes.
Let's make a warm-up. Stand up, please. Exercise number 3. Read the text and tell the class. Shoulders, please read.
Kazakhstan's location, combined with its climate, means it has a lot of snow in winter and sunshine in the summer. It's the melting of the winter snow caused by
Flooding in Kazakhstan has caused a lot of injuries to people and the loss of livestock, and additionally, many residential areas and people's homes have been damaged by flood waters. Some houses made from adoi.
Let's make an exercise by program word wall. Random wheel. Match sentence. Are you ready?
yes.
However, it was not the first time that Kazakhstan has been affected by flooding. It is the first sentence.
Yes.
Please read.
There were also significant floods in 2010, 2014, 2015.
Okay, you are right. Good. What's next? Finish. Moreover, some areas use pumps to pump water away from homes and public buildings. Nuray?
This is 5. And there are now some solutions to help the people of Kazakhstan deal with floods. For example, after floods in 2010, they built a dam in order to stop floods in Kazakhstan capital city, Nur-Sultan.
Okay, you are right. Thank you. Okay. Unfortunately, many homes were completely destroyed. It is? Yes, you may admit.
This is Akmola, Akhtoi, yes, Kazakhstan, Jammu, Karaganda, Kosovo, and North Kazakhstan are some regions among those that have extreme floods.
Okay. Make a feedback during exercise, true or false. Find the right answers. Дұрыс немесе бұрыс жауабын табыңыз оқушылар. More than 7 people were evacuated from their homes.